Hello, this is a video about how to wire up a reverse camera. As you can see, this is my camera right here. I have it on the license plate, and I'm going to go underneath to show you what I did. This is wired with the yellow video and the red is the hot, which is the positive side of wiring. I put it all together, put it in wire loom. As you can see, this is the wire that comes over from the camera and it runs down my rail all the way up to the front, and we'll show you what it does there. I wasn't able to come in through the firewall, so I come in through the floorboard of the truck, which is right here. I run it along this strip, up around and up and then underneath the dash. I've already got everything installed, so I'm going to show you what it does with the installed. I want to turn it on, the radio will come on and play. Okay, we're back. What I did was I turned the call off, restarted it, turned the radio on, it's playing as you can see. We'll go to the reverse and I'll show you here. I'll put it in reverse. It cuts the radio off and goes back to the camera, which is a pretty doggone good signal. I still got to do some readjusting on the camera to get the lines down a little bit. But I just wanted to show you this is what happens, and I take it out of reverse, radio comes back on. Okay, now as we come down here to the wiring, I'm going to show you something about it here. The sun here. This green-white wire is the reverse wire. You have to wire it to the red signal wire that comes from the back. Okay, here you wire this in to the back of the tail light, and then there's another red signal wire here that comes back. You wire it into the red tail light also. I put this one and this one into the reverse light on the tail light, the reverse light. The video signal comes over and it has another red wire that is what I connected into the green-white wire behind the receiver. That tells it to switch to the camera. And these are the videos that plugs into the back of the camera. And on the back of the camera, on the back of the receiver has a camera output, and it is in yellow if you buy the dual 200 style camera. Anyway, I had to wire all this up. There's no 1 and 2 part to make it work. And this is the wiring diagram again. This is what I was telling you about a minute ago. Right here. This is the plug-in for the yellow wire, which is the video wire that comes from the back. Not that one, this one over here. That one is the antenna wire. It's the yellow wire, which is yellow. Here it says camera, CAM. It's the one all the way to the left. So disregard that first one, that's the antenna wire. But you still have to have that wire right here, which is the green-white wire, hooked to your red wire with the yellow wire, or your camera will not work. I'll show you one more time. It's off. I turn it on. The radio's coming on.
back in May on the
there is
$295.2
the
million loan, but it was not
radio speaking, and I want to take and go ahead and put it in reverse because this is a standard shift. And there it is. There's the backup camera. Like I said, I still got to do some adjustment for lowering the camera some. Okay, hope this helps. Give me a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching. I will have some pictures, still pictures at the beginning of the video. Thanks for watching.